Okay, I wanted to do a quick trade review recap of the trade I took this morning. I recorded it, not the execution. I did the execution on another monitor, but I do want to show the thought process and then show the snapshot from the execution to after, using SMC Concepts and how I interpret them for the open today. So here we go. All right, there's the market opening up. Got the gap. We'll see if it wants to start filling in some of the gap there. Pressing lower. Has taken out the second lowest low. As far. One. Yes, it's going higher. It is in a discount of its range. And close back inside that range. So let's wash out this. See how the market reacts to that wick right here. Looks like it's going to go higher to me. We'll see. Higher. It's back up into the premium of the range and then back down into discount. It looks like it's, see if it wants to abide by that consequent encroachment. We do have these levels swept on ES. Let's see if it wants to hold the consequent encroachment. So I'm still not sold on lower prices. There's a discount of that range. Yes, it's still pushing higher. And I think this is going to be enough with respect to that fair value gap on the 15-second chart. Say it did not disrespect it yet. The disrespect of that would be enough for me to say that I want to take it higher. It hasn't shown it to me just yet. Next candle is okay. We'll buy it right there. Target. Highs. See if this to work its way higher. Consequent encroachment of the wick. Just these highs we're going to be targeting. Highs right here. I only have one contract on, so see it. Push up here. As of right now, it's looking a little on the weaker side. Yes, it's pulling back after taking out the highs here. MNQ has not done that yet. We do have, looks like the consequent encroachment is holding. We're just going to see this thing move up higher. If it doesn't, then it's going to be a loss on that idea. It's going to took out these highs, now it's going to go to these highs up towards the consequent encroachment. So it's definitely not going up in a manner that's really strong. So it's not acting like I want it to act. I kind of want it to be a little bit quicker. It already swept this low, so I want to see it go a little higher. It doesn't look like it's going to do that. I might be shutting this thing down a little prematurely. We'll see. It's putting a swing high right here. I don't like that. I want to see this candle go higher. So I need to see this candle's high get taken out. And taken out and then get above the equilibrium of this range. That's what I want to see. That's what I need to see here. So it got taken out there. So that's good. It's no longer a swing high. But now I don't want to see it fall back into the range and come back down in here. I want to see it continue to push up higher. Low-hanging fruit objective for the movies is right here. So as it takes these highs, I don't think I'm going to go break even, but I will go a little. I want to see the market go right up to here where there's no wick. I want to see the market kind of blast through that. All right, took out that high. Now I want to see it continue. I want to see this to act as order block sensitivity. So this whole area in price is an order block. My stop should be right here right here. All right, took out those highs. Now I want to see it expand through those highs. I don't want to see it come right back down into the range here. I want to see it kind of just keep pushing higher. It worked that high right there, and that's the low-hanging fruit. That was the low-hanging fruit objective, but I'm looking to get right there. I want to see this thing continue to go higher. I want to see order block sensitivity here. Right there. Coming down to the open is fine right there because that's actually the regular trading hours. So that's okay. I took out these highs. Don't want to see it falling back into the range. It kind of is. So the question now is, do I just want to kill it? Or am I going to give it a couple more minutes to kind of work out? No displacement yet. Just a kind of a grind higher. I still like it higher. Check out this minor buy side, and I want to give it an opportunity to. I want to give it a few minutes. I don't want to just say I'm going to get rid of it. Allowing it to tag down in here is fine. In reality, this wick here is pretty big. The consequent encroachment of that wick is just going to be right there. The market should stay in the upper half of this wick. I'd like to see the market stay in the upper half of this wick. So as long as the market stays in the upper half of that wick, I'll be operating that as an inversion fair value gap sensitivity, and that would be good. So see discount sensitivity there. Not very far away to get to the low-hanging fruit objective, which is right here. So it lines up really with the lower quadrant. And that's all she wrote. Boom. The market does end up going higher and taking out I can get rid of this now.
Nah.
And the biggest, and you can see that it does go all the way to the pre-market high, but just following kind of low-hanging fruit objective. So I was looking at this wick. If drop down to the 15-second chart, I was watching for the market to disrespect this 15-second fair value gap and use that as my discount array to send prices high to the entry model of inversion fair value gap on the 15-second chart. And snapshot of the trade will be there. Going on this candle here, 01. Didn't even need it to tag it. Wasn't doing a perfect touch. It was fine for me because it could. How I look at it is it could just start taking off from there. So just first pull back after disrespecting it. To me, it doesn't need to be perfect. You're only giving up about 4 or 5 points and then covering the low-hanging fruit objective that I laid out for you. 22 and that's the trade. Done deal.